Friends, in this video I am going to experiment on aspirating plus emulsifying ultrachopper, that is APE ultrachopper. This is an intumescent cataract. A minirexis has been done, some cortical lens matter has been aspirated, and now the minirexis is being enlarged to optimum size rexis. A side port and a main incision has been made earlier, and now this is enlargement of the minirexis by the Oertli forceps, and we have got an adequate sized rexis. Visco again to fill up the anterior chamber, and now here goes the APE ultrachopper. APE means aspirating plus emulsifying ultrachopper, designed by me, and the instrument has been made by Appasamy Associates, and the tip has been attached to a Galaxy Pro Orbit machine. The ultrachopper is engaged just in front of the main wound. It goes through the substance of the nucleus. The opposite equator is supported by a nucleus sustainer, and this has to be done. The opposite equator must be hooked and supported by the ultrachopper, and then the opposite equator has to be supported by the nucleus sustainer, and the aspirating plus emulsifying ultrachopper just goes through the nucleus and it cuts the nucleus. Since ultrasonic energy is being used, the movement of the ultrachopper is almost effortless, and since all the ultrasonic energy is used within the substance of the nucleus, the corneal endothelium is very nicely protected. And now the ultrachopper, the portion of the ultrachopper that goes into the substance of the nucleus is now on the left side, or it can be on the right side, and the pieces are being emulsified. This projection is from a 2.8 millimeter tip, and the ultrachopper is being used to emulsify most of the pieces. But since I am having a bit of surge, I am not going to emulsify the last few pieces with this. We are going to develop this instrument, and in future we will emulsify the pieces by the same ultrachopper. So without changing the tip, we can divide the nucleus and emulsify the pieces very easily. And this is the last piece. Last three pieces is being used, emulsified by the machine that I usually use most of the time, that is Oertli Catarex 3. So emulsification of the nucleus has been done, and now cortical lens matter is being aspirated by a 23G Simcoe cannula. Simcoe cannula is a very safe instrument. We can use coaxial irrigation aspiration, but I keep the Simcoe cannula attached to a separate bottle, and it is always ready. So my assistant is always ready with the Simcoe, and thus we can save a lot of time. And hydroimplantation of a single piece hydrophobic monofocal intraocular lens is being done, and it is done. And now this is the irrigating probe. It dials the lens as well as whatever visco is there in the lumen of the cartridge is irrigated out. And now we are towards the end of the surgery. This is a little bit of moxifloxacin. The side port is closed by hydrating corneal stroma. and then main wound is being hydrated a little bit in this case. The main wound is about 3.1 millimeter. But we can introduce the APE ultrachopper through 2.8 millimeter. We'll see that in future videos. Here we conclude the case. Thank you very much for your attention. We are going to develop and improve this instrument. Be with us and always give your comment and suggest how we can improve this instrument.